What's up guys, Thomas from FT Speed. Today we're talking about the new products that we've gotten in for the month of July. Now first things first, we have a giveaway winner to announce for these carbon fiber dash covers here. Our random generator picker for YouTube comments chose Reloading Dragon, and I asked you guys to say something positive, and his positive quote was that pandas are born in the month of August. And I googled it. It's anywhere between July and September, so you're correct. Also, another fun fact is that when they're 6 months old, they start eating bamboo. So there you have it. I'm gonna send this out to you, Reloading Dragon, and you can put this on your car in like a week, whenever it gets shipped to you. Now first up for the FRS side, we have this JDM style pinstripe for the mirrors. This is going to be for all 2013 and newer, since the mirrors are the same even though they have the facelift model. Same mirrors, it's going to fit. It's a vinyl pinstripe here. It comes in a bunch of different colors, and that's actually the end of the FRS BRZ A90 parts. Next on, we're going to move to Supra, and we just don't have that much because we moved our whole back end of the website. If you saw the video of me sliding in with my Freedom shorts, I kind of explained our whole new website system. So go watch that video if you haven't yet already watched it. We have very few products this month, but next month we'll come back with some more. I'm sorry. Now over for the Supra, we got a few things, like from HKS, we have a new intake. It's carbon fiber. It's a dry carbon fiber racing suction kit, which is an interesting name for a carbon fiber intake. Replaces the factory one, obviously. But this is carbon fiber not only because it looks cool and it's lighter, but because it has a delayed heat transfer over to the intake air. So they've noticed a 4 degrees Celsius difference between the heat with a stock airbox over theirs, which is about 39.2 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty significant. It's also 35% lighter. It increases flow by 13%, and they say it increases the audible induction noise that you hear when you're driving. Now moving over to the rear of the Supra, we have a JDM style rear roof spoiler. This is from OLM. It's kind of duckbill-ish in style. It's an acrylic smoked material that just 3Ms right onto the rear windshield. Now you may notice that the engine bay has a little bit more carbon in it. We're teasing, this is not yet a product, but this is also from OLM. This is a carbon engine cover, which looks pretty gnarly. The mold, it pops right back on, just like the factory one. The factory one just pops right off, this one just pops right on. It's got more aggressive lines, and it looks pretty cool, especially with this bit of carbon fiber. You got carbon fiber from front to rear in the engine bay, which looks pretty sick. And another tease product that we've gotten, but not have put on the website quite yet, so we'll give you a sneak peek. We've got some new Fection Fab lowering springs for the Supra. We're going to be installing these next week, so you can see more specs and the installation on this soon. We also have wheel spacers for the Supra as well from Fection Fab. So that was a short glimpse of the small few products we were able to bring in this month while we're doing a site migration of the whole back end stuff. More stuff is going to be coming in August, don't you worry. So if you have any questions, feel free to send us an email at sales@ftspeed.com. I'll leave the links to the few products that we did talk about in this video in the description, and I'll see you guys with more products in the next video. Now over to the rear, over to the rear.